Yo, what's up, Mole Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. How are you guys doing? Dina langa dititi ndimankala kuno ku USA koma dimachogera ku Botswana. It's World Cup season. This one I'm not doing so many reactions at this time. I'm still watching the World Cup. So if you want to catch some of the games, some of the games that I do, because World Cup with kids is it's different. And American kids, you know what I mean? Like they don't know much about soccer. I'm sorry. If it was in Africa, kids will be crowding the TV, but here, anyway, I'm reacting to Dr. Namadingo. As you can see, if you're here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell too so you do not miss any of the uploads on the channel. Even though I am not doing it, what do you call it? Every day nowadays. But it's coming back. I'm doing a lot of things at the same time. Working, schooling, reacting, watching the World Cup. Did I mention the World Cup? Yes, and the World Cup on top of that. Anyway, so yeah, let's get to the song. Without wasting any time. Did I tell you guys to subscribe if you are here for the first time?
Namadingo.
Hey,
Okay.
I love it already.
Ndikudikira kuti muchite zozizwa pansi pamtima wanga ndipembedzera. Na.
It's like he said, Atate. Let me take it back.
Na. Namadingo. Okay.
Atati.
Ndikudikira kuti muchite zozizwa pansi pamtima wanga ndipembedzera.
Something in my heart too.
Na ninene ena chaka chao nchino ena nchama wachabentawe tisaone kuchedwa tidikire ntawi
Tawi.
mulungu zomwe wapanga uko watopanga.
There's something, I mean, I have always been understanding to Namadingo's music. I felt like I haven't been reacting so much and now I'm losing it. I used to hear everything he said, but now I know that he's saying Tawi. Obviously, he wanted the time. He said time, something about time. I know he's talking about God. I think he said Ulungu. It's there somewhere. So, yeah. Let me know in the comment section, please. Maybe I'll get it in samples.
Palibenga mula mule tingo pembedzera amahondo.
Nobody's like you, so we can press it.
Shito titsingo limbikira ikwana ndawe yatuyo idzakwana ndipo titsingo pembedzera podikira ndawe yatuyo. Tamva tijairona tutsaza kufa kunonga tisadzutsa baba ife siti kumudwa amabereka amatenga nso ali ndizifukwa ali ndizolinga ndipo amadziwa zalero ndizamawa langa
Today and tomorrow.
pena ngati mukula kuitsa koma ino mukukonza baba njira zanu sinjira zatu kalikonzeka lini nthawi yake.
Yo, beautiful video, beautiful studio, by the way. I don't know if they changed the colors or they just changed the lighting. It's so beautiful. I mean, it's in the studio and it's just so entertaining. It's, I mean, when you're like a big artist, right? Like, I feel like if I recorded a song like this, it would be like, what is he trying to do? What was he going for?
Koma poenda imasindana ndawi lero ndi ena mawadzalowa ena ndi moyo titsingo dikirira ikwana ndawi yatuyo idzakwana msimu utsingo pembedzera odikira ndawi yatuyo ikwana ndife anthu pena tuona kuchedwa koma beti tsingo pembedzera idzakwana kwamene nthawi yawo yakwana achitire umboni za ukulu wake. ife tidzingopembedzera kudikira nthawi yathuyo idzakwana.
Yo, beautiful stuff, Namadingo, all the way from Malawi. I didn't mention that because I kind of assumed that everybody who's going to watch this is from Malawi. But Namadingo, all the way from Malawi, Malawi Kuchalo. Thank you so much for you guys for your support. You guys from Malawi, round of applause. Even I'm receiving WhatsApp and stuff, WhatsApps, because there are so many. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, but I am receiving messages through WhatsApp, and it's just the support you guys are giving. I have Ziko Mokwambere, that's all I can say. Thank you so much for watching this. If you don't know who Dr. Namadingo is, go check out his YouTube page. Beautiful, beautiful music, super professional, top high quality artist. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the other side.